here with Kicking It with Kim. I am going to do the unboxing of the Preformer L Body Glove paddleboard today. This includes a inflatable paddleboard, a 3-piece paddle, a pump, an ankle leash, a backpack, and a dry pouch, and a repair kit. So let's go ahead and unbox. Oh, and this pump, whoops. This is a really nice pump. It has the gauge right here, so you know how many PSIs you're doing, which is really nice. It's pretty good quality if you ask me. And then we have the waterproof little pouch you can put your cell phone in. Some warranty instruction information. This awesome leash, which has some camo, which is really cute. Definitely when you go paddleboarding, do not forget your leash. We've had a lot of drownings, and do not forget your life vest. Repair kit, which is cool. It has some nylon for the thing in there, so you can check that out. Then let's get the then we have the paddle, the 3-piece paddle. I can unwrap it. There we go. Oh, this is really cute too. It's nicer than my other paddle. I love it. So you just put it together like that. Actually, this part goes, and then this part goes in here. And you can adjust it to which height you want. Looks like here. Right there, which length. And then you pop it in. Oh. Actually, there's a piece of styrofoam. Oh, no. Okay. Never mind. Put it to right there. Okay. So really nice paddle. Nice and solid. I like the handle up here. And the nice thing about this paddle also is that it's not oval. It's oval. It's not it's a cylinder, but not a circle. So nicer grip. So that's the paddle. And then we will get the awesome paddleboard in bag. So it's already in the bag. It's pretty big. It's a really nice bag. It has straps for a backpack, and you can put it around your waist, and it's padded, so that's really nice. This is a very good quality bag. And we'll just do the unwrapping of it. Oh, this is sweet. I love the color on here. Really good. So this one is I think it's an 11-foot. Pretty sure, yeah, 11 foot by 34. So really big. The graphics on this one is really nice. Look at the cool mountains with the trees. And then I really do like it has 3 fins. They're not detachable, but that's okay, you won't lose it, but you have 3 of them. Usually, my old paddleboard had 2, and then a middle one that was detachable, and that one would fall off all the time. So I like that it's in the actual paddleboard. But here you guys go, take a good look. We're gonna get this thing blown up today and go out on Chatfield Reservoir. So hope you guys are all having an awesome day. It's such a beautiful day here in Colorado, and I just wanted to show the unboxing of the Body Glove Preformer 11. So have a great day, and make sure you click and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye.